What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Thank you for joining me on another video. For XRP, we're waiting on something. We're waiting on that bigger move. We know we have everything set up right now where we have the banking system really in our control, right? We have the SEC that's kind of on their heels because they know that, they're on the verge of losing and they have no type of grounds in order to negotiate really anything, and all the cards are in our hands. We know that XRP is fully capable of growing to 100, 200, 300, 500 billion dollars worth of a market cap. We know that this thing skyrockets every time we see any type of major positive news on XRP or for Ripple with the SEC or with crypto in general, honestly. So we're excited to see what comes next for XRP. And I think we're waiting on one thing. We're waiting on that God candle. The God candle that looks like, it's absolutely exploding to an entirely different level and it's never going to stop. We're waiting for that. I'll show you what that looks like, because there are a couple that have happened within XRP, and you've seen some in the likes of like AMC stock, GME stock. You've seen those within those short positions, and that's what we're looking for here when people heavily start to invest into cryptocurrency and see a lot of the top plays as those opportunities. Whenever you see people start investing in things, they always try and go for the safe route. The things are at the top: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and what's after that? XRP. What's going to be before BNB in a couple of, maybe a week, maybe even a couple of days? It's going to be XRP. When we start to see this thing really take off to the next level, BNB is not even going to be able to compete with where XRP is. You might see that competition for Ethereum and Bitcoin, but you still might see it surpass Ethereum in some of those prices with a lot of the predictions that are out there, with a lot of the beliefs and uses that are out there as well. So again, we're waiting for that God candle and we're going to get it. We just don't know exactly when. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. If you guys want to check out any of the cryptocurrency platforms that I have where you can buy cryptocurrency, feel free to check those out. I have referral links that do help out the channel. I also have a store for different merch and just a lot of different links that are down there. Feel free to check them out, shop around. But I also have a link for Rumble. If you guys want to follow me on Rumble, I pretty much do the same thing over here. You're going to see this video. If you are seeing this video on Rumble, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you guys hit that like button as well. But yeah, go ahead and follow me on Rumble. I want to grow that to, a couple thousand of subscribers or followers, and hopefully get up to the same level it is on YouTube. I don't know if it will, but hopefully it does. So like I said, when we talk about XRP, it's all about what comes next. Where have we gone, and what have we seen in the past, and what does this overall like God candle really look like? So XRP currently sits at 60 cents. We saw it today with a pretty decent movement while we're seeing the market actually start to turn around from its push. Last night, we saw the market at a $1.32 trillion market cap, finally surpassing the $1.3 trillion market cap up to the 1.31, and then jumping to 1.32, seeing with the like Solana and, Bitcoin and Ethereum really leading the way in a lot of that movement in the form of dollar amounts. Now, for XRP, we saw this move a decent amount up to about 62, 63 cents or so within that time frame. You can see here and how this candle, all the way up here and got up to about 62.5 cents, almost that level, but did start to come down. And now you see it at this level of about 59 or 60 cents, up only 0.05%, 0.04%. The volume today is up by 27 or 28%. At 1.9, almost $2 billion worth of volume, which is absolutely phenomenal. Brings the volume to market cap ratio up to about 6.17%. And seeing how we've seen about $60 billion worth of volume, that's a significant amount for one cryptocurrency to put towards the overall volume for the cryptocurrency market. So that's pretty exciting. I know there's a lot of talks around there's talks around the circulating supply and how much is being introduced and how 1 billion is being introduced monthly and how they're going to be converting to kind of half that and extend the time that this does happen for that dilution. And there's also discussion saying that they could burn off the entire escrow, which would be absolutely phenomenal for anybody invested into XRP. But throughout all this process, we're waiting for different things to happen. We're waiting for the SEC to kind of, drop everything. If they drop all the charges and just say, yeah, you know what, you win, then it's God candle time. If we see XRP fully get implemented within the banks that Ripple is already implemented in, it's God candle time, right? You have so many different things that could happen with this position that could create that larger candle that we're all looking for that really pushes to the next level. Now, what are we really looking for? So if we go out the last day, right, we're only up 0.04%. The last 7 days, we're up about 9% from a low level here of about 50 cents. I like how they changed this, I guess, I guess they haven't changed it, but I guess when you look at the candlesticks, it gives you a different look at it rather than, looking at the line, which doesn't really give you that look at all. But it has gone from about 54 cents up to this level, this high level, about 52.5 cents. If we look at the last, let me shrink this a little bit. If we look at the last month, we see that this is up 15%. Again, you're looking at this low level about 48 cents, and I understand how it was here at about 51, but a low level about 40, 48 or 47 cents all the way up to that high level of about 50 or 62 cents. So a decent sized gain. That's not what we're talking about. Sort of what we're talking about is within this year. As you see with what has happened within this time frame and how it pushed all the way up to 90 cents, this was when you had the information come out that XRP was not labeled a security. The ruling to label XRP not a security was huge. However, it was met by a bunch of speculation where we were going to see appeals and stuff, and that's why you saw it kind of drop down, and the market really wasn't ready for anything to really take off. So this is what we're talking about. From a level here of 40 cents up to a level of 90 cents, that is that candle that we're looking for. And give you another example that we saw within this position. If we look at all, we can see how this has gone from a level of 20 cents down here all the way up to a high here of $3.87. Those are the type of candles that we're looking for, and those are the type of candles that we're going to get when we start seeing all of these things completely take shape. But right now, we're still within this period where we don't know exactly if everything is going to work out as planned for XRP. So I'm waiting. I have 1,787 XRP. It may not be enough in some people's eyes, but I still feel like it's enough to have a significant gain. And if all is true, if we get to the ultimate goal where this ends up getting to, $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 in some people's eyes, then yeah, I will have 100 coins to give me that $1 million level if it gets to $10,000. However, if it doesn't, it only gets to $1,000, still, I'm going to be happy with that, with the $100,000 that I have there, adding 2 zeros to that $1,000 or $1,000 price point. So I'll take that any day of the week. Guys, let me know what you think about XRP. Let me know what you think about when that next large candle is going to come, and if we need to see a certain thing for that candle to take place, and how big you think that candle is going to be. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Again, if you guys want to go and follow me on Rumble, feel free to follow me on that platform. Link is at the top of the description. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.